In this video, we are going to discuss how to get a better YouTube channel. We are also going to highlight 5 easy steps you can do to enhance and get a better YouTube channel. Stay tuned. Five easy steps to grow your YouTube channel. Number 1, have a purpose. You need to have a clear objective and purpose for starting a YouTube channel. It takes more time to grow your YouTube channel compared to other social media platforms. You know, thinking about this, there are some channels out there, they create a video, a how-to video, and even 5 years later, they're still getting views because they have content that people want to know the answers to questions on. So consider that as well. It takes a little time. It's a marathon, not a sprint. But knowing why you want to create video content can help you stay on track when things don't seem to be moving forward. I know that's one thing for me. When some of your videos you've created and you've had them on YouTube for a couple weeks and they're not getting views, but you know that you've created good content, you know that you've optimized the videos, and we'll get into that in some more of the steps coming up. But it takes a little bit of patience, or sometimes even a lot of patience, going forward. So have a purpose, know that purpose, and stay on track. Number 2, optimize your video descriptions and titles. The best way for your videos to be found on the platform of YouTube is to make sure your descriptions and titles are SEO optimized, as search engine optimization optimized. Determine the best keywords to use that are relevant to your industry and make sure to include them in your descriptions and your titles. If you stay tuned to the end, I'll highlight a free program, and really 2 and 3 goes together. Number 3, use VidIQ and TubeBuddy for your video tags. Again, these are my recommendations. There are other SEO tools out there and keyword tools, but these are the 2 that I recommend. I personally use both of them. Right now, I'm heavily into TubeBuddy for your video tags. So if you want to make sure that all your videos use keywords as their tags, this will help to improve the discoverability of your videos. These 2 tools can help you with this process, TubeBuddy and VidIQ. Both tools will provide you with recommendations for tags that you can insert into your videos, as well as show you how your videos rank for these keywords or these tags. Number 4, use how-to videos to teach your audience. There are 2 reasons why people find themselves on YouTube: to be educated and entertained. Rather than producing the same boring videos demonstrating your products or sharing your insight, why not create how-to videos to help educate your audience? And think about what you can teach your audience and develop videos around your skills that will truly keep them coming back as well. Number 5, outsource what you can't do. If you don't know how to edit videos, or you don't have the right equipment you need to produce high quality videos, you can outsource this work to someone. It will cost you a little bit of money, but if you need content, consider hiring someone who can shoot and edit videos for you and bring them in once a week. It can be a lot cheaper than you think and will save you time and frustration from doing it yourself. And down here, I put 2 companies or 2 places you can go to outsource editing videos and a number of other things when it comes to copywriting videos and that sort. Fiverr.com as well as Upwork. Just research, edit my YouTube video, and you'll see there's plenty of people and companies out there that can do that for you. Again, you have to vet those individuals, look at some of their reviews and their quality of work, and kind of go from there. But it's definitely possible for you, and not as hard as you may think. So YouTube has become a powerful tool for small businesses. So following these 5 steps can help you grow your YouTube channel and find success. So as mentioned, the tool that I like to search for keywords, tags, is TubeBuddy, your best friend on the road to YouTube success. I'll put a link below in the description. Of course, TubeBuddy has a free tool, and they also have a paid version as well. So you can look into that. But try out the free tool. See how beneficial it is to you. It will definitely be beneficial to get your videos ranked in the search engines. So hopefully that was helpful for you guys. Take care. We'll see you in the next one.